Is the Butter Collection suitable for beginners? Today, let's take a look. So we would not recommend the Butter Collection for beginners as it's for more advanced users and expert users in anal play due to the size and diameter, which are usually quite wide, and the insertion depths are very long as well. Although the Butter Collection isn't suitable for beginners, it's perfect for those who are advanced users and provide a more challenging and fun outlook using these sex toys. So if you're looking for something new and challenging, the Butter Collection is for you. The Butter Collection also features a fisting butter, a fisting cream and a fisting gel to help you with your unique anal experience. The Butter Collection also features strong suction cups so you can enjoy the dildos or butt plugs hand-free as well. Did you find that video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? Do you have a question for us? We'd love to hear it. Why not drop your question below and we'll take a look at it for you.